Okay, this is where I tried to reproduce the funny interferences that I've been getting on the Rode Go with the G7X Mark III. I've now attached it to my GH5. It's just dangling down from it. I'm sorry, I meant to record what I was doing. This is the setup. The audio is coming from the Rode Mic Wireless Go kit, attached to my shirt here, and hopefully we can test it. I've got it also on the lowest gain. I was never too sure which gain to set this on, but I'll just put it on the lowest one. Hopefully that's good. And let's just stop recording from this. I'm just going to toggle airplane mode while being quite close to this thing. See if it makes a difference. I'm just going to put it like that. Just off. I mean airplane mode on, airplane mode off. See if there's any interference there. And I think this concludes my test. Thank you for watching. By the way, I've had these Rode Wireless Go already replaced due to a battery issue, so it would be kind of hilarious to replace them again. So annoyingly, when I attached this external mic to the G7X Mark III, sound recording goes back to auto. I want it on manual. Okay, it remembers the rec level, which is good. And go out of menu. And yeah, I can see the bars. Let's record. And let's do a similar test with my phone. Right next to this. I'm just going to toggle airplane mode with it extended away from me. Off on. I'm going to put it a little bit closer to this body now. Is there interference? Can you hear anything? Maybe just a one-off thing. Maybe a one-off thing. Okay, that's my test done.